Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al Rahman. This special name means the most merciful. Al Rahman means Allah is the most kind and merciful to everyone. He shows mercy and kindness to all His creation, to you, to me, to everyone and everything in the world. Look at how Allah shows His mercy through nature. He sends rain to help plants grow, gives us warm sunshine, and makes beautiful flowers bloom. A mother's love is one of the best examples of mercy we can see. Just like how your mother takes care of you when you're sick, hugs you when you're sad, and loves you no matter what. Even animals show mercy. Look at how mother birds feed their babies, how cats take care of their kittens, and how parent animals protect their young ones. We can show mercy too, by being kind to others, helping someone who is hurt, sharing our toys, or giving food to someone who is hungry. Now it's your turn. Can you think of ways to show mercy today? Maybe you can help your little sister, or share your snack with a friend, or be gentle with your pet. Remember, Allah is Al Rahman, the most merciful. When we show mercy to others, we are following His beautiful example. Let's try to be merciful every day.